Additionality is a critical feature of this market, which is to say that your money matters. That if you had not paid money for this project, these emission reductions would not have occurred. And that's critical because if we see that emissions don't matter in terms of reducing emissions, then someone should not be using that to offset. And just to be clear, sometimes we think about this with other kinds of subsidies as well, right? So if you have a subsidy and it's not targeted well, it goes to the wrong person. But the worst case, which is pretty bad, that happens is that a poor person doesn't get the money and the rich person gets the money. It doesn't necessarily cause the rich person to make the poor person even poorer. Here, however, if the emissions being sold are non-additional and they're used to offset emissions, a company might use the fact that it's offset its emissions to then further increase its emissions, because it's saying I've kind of removed all these others by buying these offsets. But if those offsets are in effect non-additional, then the market has justified an overall increase in global emissions rather than a reduction. So that's the reason why moving to a situation where we can actually have additionality in this market is critical if it's going to have anything to say about the key aim, which is how do you get a functional market that helps us move towards net zero targets.